again with our setup and plan video and analysis, and everything is cool, everything is nice. Price action is very slow because London session is not yet open, but it's going to be open in less than 1 hour. So for some pairs, price action is still slow, but for GJ, UJ, gold, it's already moving. You can understand. Okay, first and foremost is our market structure and our last breakout structure to the downside. It was here, external structure. As I told you, first and foremost is external structure first, then our change of character to the upside. Then yesterday had a very clean trade and we hit our take profit. Had our entry around here, then our take profit was here, and the price just came, tapped in, then continued till it hit our take profit. So today you can see the price is here and we have liquidity here, have liquidity down, although we still have our order block which is here. And also we have our then you have to move to our internal market structure. You can see it, and the price didn't break here. It was just like, it was a liquidation. We had a break. Let me see. It was a clean break. That means we're not going to use this or the block. It was a very nice break. Yep. That means this is our breakout structure to the upside. Then this was our swing low, internal market structure. Then this order block was already mitigated. Also this one, also this one, also this one. Okay. Price came in, tapped in that order block, and then it continued up like that, as you can see. So we're going to be patient for now because the price came already tapped in late in the night when London and New York session already closed, so we couldn't take that trade. So we're going to just be patient and wait. And if we check for our intraday, we can clearly wait for the price to come back, take out this Asian low, then wait for our 1 minute market structure shift, then we continue buying. That's it for GU, sorry. And then that's scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, we can wait for the price to break here and then retest, then we continue a little bit more down here. We take out this liquidity which is here, but for the moment we're going to be a little bit more patient. Wait for the price to come to us, wait for the market to come to us so that we can take those opportunities for a better risk to reward. And for then the most important thing right now is to be patient and you see what really will happen later on, later forth. Then we can go to Euro USD. For Euro USD, everything is very simple, as you can see, because if you see here, we had our break here to the downside. Then we had our breakout structure to the downside. That means the market is moving down. So this is our swing high, and now we are targeting our swing low, which is here down. Our swing low. Then for this kind of market structure, we're going to use our intraday our intraday strategy, then we're going to mark out our Asian highs and low. Going to mark out our Asian highs and low. Where is it to load this? Is it the network? Be a little bit more patient, and we see how really it works. Why is it not loading? Let's just mark it out because I don't know why it's not loading. Let's move it. It's here now on 15 minutes. So for here, we have to wait for that market structure shift. And if you see here closely, this is the last break. This is the last break to the upside. You can see it here. The last break to the upside. So we're gonna be a little bit more patient, wait for the price to come and break this here. Right? And then if you get this break here, then you're gonna move to 5 minutes. Then we look for our fair value gap, our imbalance. If you get one, if you don't have one in 5 minutes, then you go to 3 minutes. If you don't have one in 3 minutes, then you go to 15 minutes. If you don't have one in 15 minutes, then you go to 1 minute. If you don't have one in 1 minute, then you just enter the market instantly without any waiting, right? Like this, then you target this swing low, this Asian low, and for then we continue selling it around here. This will be our final take profit, but our first take profit is here. That's scenario number 1. And then we just have to be a little bit more patient as we wait for that opportunity and our confirmation without any fail. Right, then for GBP, first thing first is market structure. And if you remember very well, I can do it again. We mark out each and everything, have our break of structure to the downside. Then we had our change of character to the upside. As I told you, if you master market structure, then you're good to go. Then you have our break of structure to the upside, then change of character. And this is external structure. For a bigger picture, then a break to the upside. Change of character to the upside. Then have our break of structure to the upside, internal structure. The price came back very cleanly, then tapped into that order block, and then it went up. So what's my plan? My plan is very, very simple. If you see, we had our confirmation, clean one. Then 5 minutes, price came back in that fair value gap, filled it, then continued up. So for now, my plan is just wait for the price to come back to this imbalance. Then if the price come back to this imbalance, then I'll wait for, I will check my 1 minute confirmation, then I continue buying. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if the price disrespect this, then I'll wait for the break, then retest, then continuation to the downside. For DU, we already have, we're just waiting for some little confirmation, because the price just did what we expected it to do yesterday, but we have to be patient and wait for that extra confirmation, then you get into that trade. So first thing first is 1 hour, and if you remember, this was our last break of structure to the upside. Then the price disrespected this low, which it led to our change of character to the downside. And then we had our change of character to the upside rate again. Then we had our, this was a supply zone before, then after being disrespected, then it became our breaker block. Price came in, tapped in very well. Then we had our entry around here from the 5 minutes fair value gap. No, it was three. The three. Yeah, from this 3 minutes fair value gap. And price is moving very, very well. Our stop loss just below here. Let's make it 30 pips. Then it will be 1 to 2. But you're not targeting this 1 to 2. No. Because it was a very clean pullback here. My take profit 1 will be here, and my take profit 2 will be here. 1 to 4. Clean trade, clean trade. Clean one, like super clean. Okay guys, for now you can go and enter UJ, because it's already moving, and I'm just waiting for that final confirmation, that 1:15 candle, that 15 minutes candle to close above the previous 15 candle. Then we're good to go. I'll be sending the signal in my free Telegram channel. I don't think it will be free. But I'll send it. This one will be a free one. Then I'll send more in my VIP Telegram channel. Okay, that's it guys. And